Good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed about that how to spinning the cotton. How to spinning the cotton. Then fiber to yarn. Fiber to yarn. How to we are prepared. Today yarn to fabric. We discuss about the topic is yarn to fabric. How to yarn to fabric we will made. The first method, that is weaving, in two types. Yarn to fabric we will made. So first one is weaving, next knitting. The two types of process. Then what is the weaving? The weaving is taking two basic strands, means threads, means yarns. It made that looms, like a hand looms and power looms. First of all, what is the weaving? What is the weaving? See, you will make any loom, hand, kerchiefs, towels, any other materials. Then what will happen? See that one lines are in vertical and another lines are in horizontally. Like this they are weaved. Then opposite direction. It is in opposite direction they are weaved. Yes, the weaving is one main process to make that fabric. First you have to take the yarns. You have to take two types of yarns, means two yarns. It will be weaving to that. One is a horizontal and one is a vertical. Horizontal and vertical. One is upside and another one is downwards. So this like you have to weave. One is up and another one is down, like this. It is up, like this they are weaved. The process like this. See this. So like this. The horizontal lines and vertical lines are weaved like this. For example, all type of fabrics. See the fabrics, they are knitted, they are weaved by like this method. In two yarns, not the one yarn. The two yarns, you have to take any cloth, have pull the any yarn, pull the any thread. What will happen? Will be two layers. One is horizontal, another one is a vertical. The two yarns will be open. Next, that is the looms. Weaving will be called the looms. What about that hand looms and power looms? Hand looms means they are made from the hands. Power means power looms will be in towels. They are weaved from machines. So this is the weaving. So what is the knitting? How the knitting is possible? The yarn to fabric we are made. The knitting is hand knitting and machines. Hands and machines, like a hand looms and power looms. It is also hand knitting and machine knitting. What is the knitting? What is the knitting? So in weaving we are taking two threads. But in knitting we are taking a single thread. We are knitted any material, any fabric. For example, socks. You will take the socks and pull the thread. What will happen? A single thread come out from the socks. A single thread. But in weaving it is a two threads, two yarns we will weaving, but in knitting only you are taking that single thread. See, in some people they are knitted the woolen cloths like a sweaters, they are hand knitting. By hand they are knitted like a sweaters, like a buttas. So different knitting is possible. What about the knitting in machines? How the machines are used for knitting? So for example, sweaters. You see the sweaters. The sweaters are knitted by the machines, and some shawls and woolens. So this is a process of yarn to fabric. Yes. So fiber to yarn. So after yarn to fabric. This is the total methods. Yarn to fabric is the two types, that is weaving and knitting. The weaving in looms, how like the looms is formed on hand looms and power looms. Whatever the knitting is the two types, that is a hand knitting and machine knitting. Okay students. The last topic is history of clothing material. History of clothing materials. What is the history of clothing? What is the history of clothing? The natural material. What are the natural materials? For example, in early man, the early men are using the natural material. They have covered their body. Why we are wearing the dresses and fabrics? Because of covered our body and protecting our body. Yes, protecting our body. So the natural material, what are the natural materials? Yes, they are taking the bark of the tree and also leaves of the plants and skin of the animals and or fur. Take fur of the fabrics they are taken. That natural materials means which are available in nature. The early peoples, they are using covered their body. They are using that bark of the plants and leaves of the plants and skin of the animals and fur of the animals. They are using that natural materials. They are taking the leaves and just bark of the tree they are taking, and they will tied up and they will cover their body in early mans. Then what will happen? Next, natural strands. What are the natural strands? Like a fur and hair of the animals, and fleece of the animals they are taking, and they are covered their body and they are knitted and they are weaved in natural method by hand. They are using this type of hair and fleece, and some grass they are taken and they are spin and they are wearing that different type of a materials, the natural materials, natural strands they are using for cover their body, using for fabric. In early India, they are using that cotton nearby Ganga river. Nearby the Ganga river. Means in early India the cotton is mostly cropped in there nearby the Ganga river. As next and they are using that fleece. After this fleece they are using in Egypt, they are using the cotton and flax. And next simple thing, they are stitched some machines in sewing machines. Sewing machines they are using for needle to sewing that. Yes, so the history of your clothing materials is means the natural materials. In early man they are taking the natural materials where it available in nature. They are taking that bark of the tree and leaf of the trees and of animal skin, and they are taking hair of the animals. They are wearing as it is. Next, natural strands. What are the natural strands? They are using for the spinning material, for that fur and hair and fleece for animals. Next, in early India the cotton is nearby the Ganga river. They are grown the plants, the cotton plants. Yes. Next, sewing machines. So nowadays the sewing machines are available. Then without sewing, we are wearing the fabric. Yes, we are wearing the fabric. What are that? See the saree. Without sewing, we are wearing the type of traditional wearing. Dhoti, lungis and shawls. We can't sewing that. We can't stitch that. Because we are wearing the tradition of our India, like a dhotis, saris, we remain. Okay, fiber to fabric is completed. Then the food is important for us, as well as the fabric, means the cloths are also important our daily needs. So this is the dignity of every person or everyone. So this is the fiber to fabric, how we are made for that, as fiber to yarn to how we converted into fabric, means clothing. So nowadays different type of varieties, different kinds of a lot of things, lot of materials, the blended cottons, blended rayons, we are using artificial and naturals. So different type of fabrics we are using. So this is about the fiber to fabric. Okay, thank you. We will continue next class, a new topic.